Mr. Robinson's in an interview room. You come into the interview room and he's sitting down, right?
Yes.
You talk to him for a minute. He hasn't stood up yet, right?
I don't know if it was a minute. I think he almost immediately asked to go to the bathroom.
Then he walks out and he goes to the bathroom.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is that correct? I wasn't.
That's accurate. Yes.
As he's walking back in, and this is the first time he's standing up, you make a comment. You're a lot bigger than I thought you'd be.
And right there, everything changed. Because if the lead detective saw the shooter in the video and stopped and said, damn, that can't be him, he's way too big, then why the hell are we here? You're about to hear a man in charge of an entire investigation admit under oath that the suspect looked bigger than what he expected, and he still locked him up.
Staying on the topic that we were on, September of 2020, was it? You first meet Mr. Robinson?
That's correct.
You're with Detective Dishman, your colleague?
Yes.
Never met him in person before?
Yes, sir.
Had spent months investigating this case, getting the descriptions of a shooter that was 5'5", 5'8", 5'9".
Sustained.
So, officer, there's CAD notes in this case, right? Call action detail notes.
Yes.
You've collected those, you've reviewed those.
Yes.
And your colleagues, as they were under the stress of the moment, were calling out over the radio the height and the weight of the person that they saw. Right?
Yes.
And it wasn't just one. It wasn't just Officer Collins. There was another officer, Graham, right?
I vaguely remember, yes.
They both gave descriptions of the person that them as seasoned officers saw with their own eyes. Right?
Yes.
You also have the civilians that saw the shooting, right?
Yes.
Mr. Robinson's in an interview room. You come into the interview room and he's sitting down, right?
Yes.
You talk to him for a minute. He hasn't stood up yet, right?
I don't know if it was a minute. I think he almost immediately asked to go to the bathroom.
Then he walks out and he goes to the bathroom.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is that correct? I wasn't.
That's accurate. Yes.
As he's walking back in, and this is the first time he's standing up, you make a comment. You're a lot bigger than I thought you'd be.
Yes.
Right?
I said yes.
Not, you're the exact same size of the shooter that I've been investigating. Either consciously or subconsciously, you say, bigger than I thought you'd be. Right?
I've already answered this, but yes.
Please answer it again. They're not objecting. You don't get to make that choice.
Yes.
All right. Now, it wasn't just about his weight, was it?
It was about his weight.
And why didn't you say it before he stood up?
I vaguely remember being in that room briefly. I don't think we made too many comments to each other.
Yeah, you can tell from my face, from my wallet, you can tell from my skills, right? You can't tell my height. Stand up.
At that point, I don't remember looking at his body. I was looking at his face, and I think he asked to go to the bathroom. And then as he comes back from the bathroom, that's when I make the comment.
You agree that you made the comment?
Yes, I've never done that.
Yeah. The rest of that there?
Yes.
You didn't take any photos of him, did you?
We did not.
One moment, Your Honor. I'm showing you one of the government's exhibits. But you guys took photos of Dominique Barnes. Multiple photos.
Yes.
So, understanding that we may have a reporting, we could have had photographed just like this for this jury to see the exact size that day.
Correct.
But you chose not to take photos.
With respect to Dominique Barner, the tattoos that he had at that date and time were using this photograph.
The first photo didn't we sure?
Yes, they do overall photos.
Thanks for watching. This is Daily Plug, baby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You're looking at the plug. Understand how the fuck my plug talk. Brought to you by Daily Plug. You know I got it. Yeah.